We are going to share two reports. First report is about fight between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian Army and regional forces, which is ongoing along B-22 highway. What is the position of Tigrayan forces on B-22 highway? Second report is about heavy aerial bombardment which was carried out by Ethiopian Air Force on a busy market. We are fighting between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with regional forces is ongoing on B-22 highway. Surrounding areas of Nifas Mucha and Debre Zabit are field of battle. Tigray Defense Force wants to take control of Nifas Mucha and Debre Tabor to finally reach Vareta, which is junction of B-22 and A3 highway, to cut the supply of Gondar Bahirdar. Viewers, but Ethiopian National Defense Force and regional forces are not allowing Tigray Defense Force to take control of these cities. Amhara militias are present in large numbers in Nifas Mucha. They are fighting against Tigrayan forces. Viewers, intense fighting is underway. Both sides are facing heavy losses on this front. Viewers, on the other hand, Ethiopian Air Force conducted airstrikes on a market located in Al-Amata town. This time, heavy aerial bombardment has been carried out by Ethiopian Air Force. According to the Tigray People's Liberation Front, 28 civilians have been killed and 76 people were wounded in these airstrikes. As per reports, both military aircraft and drones were involved in the airstrikes. Where Tigray People's Liberation Front spokesperson Mr. Getsho Reda confirmed on Twitter that the victims were all civilians. Ethiopian government didn't issue any statement regarding this airstrike. Viewers, remember, there was no fight in Alamata town. Question arises, why airstrikes were carried out on Alamata by Ethiopian Air Force if there was no fight? Civilians were targeted because all are civilians which were killed and wounded in these airstrikes. Ethiopian government must issue statement why Ethiopian Air Force targeted market and civilians in Alamata. Viewers, remember, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present in Kobo town and Kobo is in the control of Tigray Defense Force. Ethiopian forces along with regional forces, especially Afar militias, are advancing towards Kobo. Yesterday, they shared picture from Zubal, which is located to the east of Kobo town. Whereas Alamata is around 30 km from Kobo. Viewers, these were two reports. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.